this is an automatic, so the transmission lines run through into the radiator. I'll tell you guys, power tools make everything so much easier. And there you can see the damaged section of the radiator. Let's do the light check. Can you see through it? Don't forget them in your old radiator. And drop them into the core support. So here it is. Nice brand new from Amazon. It was like 130 bucks, whatever. I'm probably gonna have to tear this whole thing apart again anyways. So this is just me trying Blue Devil. Make sure your cap and your overflow outlet is where it needs to be before you shove this down in there. I actually should pop on this little radiator hose first, but that'll be future Matt's problem.
That'll be future Matt's problem.
I have everything hooked up that I need hooked up, as long as this holds coolant. And then I'm going to come back out with some Blue Devil, and we're going to run this thing for 50 minutes. What I believe is a head gasket leak, I want to say between cylinders 1 and 2. So far it seems to be holding.
Not sure if you guys can see the exhaust gas coming out of there. I mean, this thing's already boiling over. We're getting ready to put the Blue Devil in there.